The Miramar Air Show got off to a great start today. NBC7's military reporter Bridget Naso has been out at Miramar throughout the day, and I think you've kind of gathered together the best of for us, right?
I have indeed, yeah. It did get off to a great start. They expect about 500,000 people here throughout the three-day show, and they've been waiting a couple of years to see this because, of course, last year it was canceled because of sequestration, but it got off to a great start. Let's show you some of what there is to see and do out here. This year's theme is celebrating the Marine Air Ground Task Force, and it was a highlight of the show as the 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing showed off their capability with a variety of aircraft. They had a Super Stallion that flew in. It was carrying a Humvee. That was pretty cool. The Osprey made a vertical landing, and then the Marines jumped out. And this year, the F-35 is making its first appearance at Miramar, which is really cool. The CH-46, though, Sea Knight is making its last as it's going to retire, so a lot of people, feeling that's kind of special. Plus, on the ground, the show was all its own, all kinds of military equipment. And I talked with the commanding officer of MCS Miramar, Colonel John Farnham, about what it means to share all of this with San Diego.
The show itself, it just gives me goosebumps to watch it, and I've been doing it for my entire adult life, and it's just an amazing thing, the machines that we can put into the air, and the gear that we have, and the people that we have to operate it, and to share that with the Americans, the people who purchased that for us, is very special to us.
We like the F-18s, the low flybys and everything, low approaches, and then like to see the squadron attack while they were doing the refueling, so that was kind of exciting.
Yeah, and everybody loves the Blue Angels, right? We showed you a little bit of that last night. Well, the gates open here at 8 on Saturday and 8 on Sunday. Of course, Saturday night is the big night show, which is really cool to see. You can still get tickets if you want to watch the show on Sunday, and that helps the base here. It helps provide services. So we're wrapping up here today, but we've got a whole weekend ahead here. Dress properly because it's pretty warm out there, but everybody was having a great time. Reporting live from Miramar, Bridget Naso, NBC7.
Bridget, thanks very much. Consumer News now, the U.S.